Hi guys, it's Christina from Redefine Creative, and I am back with my October Kill a Kit with Style kit share. And so I'm going to show you what I have pulled out to work with in the month of October, and then we will start creating and you'll start seeing some process videos with this stuff. So I personally know my September kit was huge and I didn't use very much of it at all. I only created just a couple of layouts because I had a lot of other things going on. I also know that in October, I have a ton of design team specific work that I have to do. And so I'm not going to have as much time to work with this kit as I would in a different month. So knowing that, I have built a smaller kit this time, and I'm going to see how that works for me. So I've always been a little hesitant to do that before, but we're going to give it a shot this time. So for the paper this time, and you can kind of see I have it all laid out for you here, I have pulled the 12 by 12 papers that go with the Auburn Lane collection from Pink Paisley. And I don't have all of them, so real quickly here, I have the specialty paper that has that gold foiling. I have, let me pull these out. All right, this one is page number 9. So we've got that really pretty pink roses. This is kind of the darkish green script. And then the bigger florals, that's number 6. Some of the cut apart cards, page number 11, and then it has this kind of gray hexagon pattern on the back. This one is just a watercolor pink and it has just a little bit of a pattern to it. And then some more cut apart cards on the front. That one is number 1. That's that really great green color again. And then some more florals on the front. And this one is number 3. We have kind of the mustardy color, so it's got a little bit of watercolor look to it with some white polka dots. And then the other side is another floral, and this is number 10. Number 12, so a black and white floral this time, and then just a pink kind of grid ledger paper on the back. This one is number 7, which is one of my favorites. So it's got all of the little triangles that have different pieces from the pattern papers. And then the back is just a really great diagonal pink stripe. I'll make sure you guys can get the color here. All right, we've got another black and white, but this one's kind of the white with the black flowers. And then a really great wood grain on the front, and this one is number 2. And we have kind of that crimson-y color, paper number 8. And then I really like this side, which has the black and white stripe with the text. And then we have paper number 4, which has another really great black and white. And then a bunch of text on the back. And then this one is also from Auburn Lane. So we have the homes on one side. So this is page number 5. And then this kind of black and white hexagon pattern on the back. So I'm sure you guys know that this one will probably be the one that I end up using. And then I have also pulled in 2 other pattern papers, and these are from Kaisercraft, the Fleur collection. So this one has some cards with the green that will not work. So some of these are not going to work, but I actually anticipate using this side in this kit that has the mustard hearts. And then this one is just a painted black and white stripe or another pale pink floral. So if you know me, you know I'll likely use this side. And so what happened is I had all of the 12 by 12 papers for Auburn Lane, but then I was asked by one of the stores that I work with to feature all of the embellishments and the 6 by 8 paper pad. So I haven't used any of the papers, but I've used a lot of the embellishments. So that's why I thought this was a really great kit to pull together for October. And it has those really great fall colors. So I think that it will work for me this month. So all of my ephemera here is from these same 2 collections. So I'm not going to go through all of it, but I've pulled together my leftovers from a Fleur pack, as well as my leftovers from the Auburn Lane collection. So I have probably about half a package left of each one of those. And so we're just going to kind of combine those up together, see what we can come up with, working in the kind of fall colors. So black and whites and that really great green, some mustard. I do have quite a few of the puffy stickers left. I've just used this down here, so we're going to stick those in there. I also have some of the rub-ons left, and I have used a few of these, but we're going to play with those this month. I do have my 6x8 paper pad that has been loved a lot already, but it still has some life in it. There's still quite a few pages left. So we're gonna throw that into the kit as well to give us some more options. Maybe we'll pull in some cut files this month. I have 2 of these little gold clips, and these were from Patio Party. So we're gonna see if I can get those in. I have the 6x12 stickers, and I have used part of these already. So we're gonna see if we can finish those up. These were something I had in my kit last month that I didn't get to using. So these are just rub-on transfers that you can do some mixed media with. So I thought I would carry those over. I also have a brand new stamp I picked up from Concord and 9th that has this heart geode and then this big geode. And I want to try and do some mixed media with these. And so just because it's brand new and it's something I'm excited to play with, I thought it would make a good addition to this particular kit. I also have from Maggie Holmes, this is from Flourish. So I have some phrases, some labels, some more phrases, labels, some mini alphas. So I thought those kind of match the colors and the feel of this kit. And then I've pulled in thickers. These are Little Wonders. And so they have some navy foam with the gold glitter letter. And this is because the Rediscover Your Stash item for the month of October that was chosen by Laura was to glitter all the things. So one of the things I'm pulling in for that are these glittery thickers. I also grabbed the Autumn Foam Alphabet from Felicity Jane that was in my kit last month. And I didn't play with it then, so I'm going to see if I can carry it over and play with it in this particular kit. I also grabbed an Ink Road stamp I've been wanting to use. So this one is Chin Up Buttercup. It's got some hexagons and some really cute florals. So we're going to try and use that this month. I did pull in 3 sequin mixes. And this one does have some glitter detail to it. And these are some of the newer ones. So I have Metallic Mess, which has this kind of ivory and gold. And then I have Elegant Winter, which is one of my new favorites, that has these little tiny delicate white flowers and then black sequins and little green open leaves. If you haven't seen this one on the Spiegel Mom Scraps website, I would definitely check it out. It's one of my favorites. And then this one is Vintage Christmas, which has just kind of some of the pinks, peaches, and creams. So we'll get that in there. This I pulled over from my last kit, which is just some washi tape from Felicity Jane that's got some little gold hearts. I have some puffy sticker. Oh, it has my hair stuck with it. Some little puffy sticker gold hearts. I had a few pieces of acrylic left over in the bottom of my kit box. So it says My Life and a little heart and an arrow. So we'll see if we can get those in there. I pulled over the black ribbon I had in my last kit. And then I also grabbed some stickles. Since we're working on glitter this month, we'll try and get some stickles in there. And then I also grabbed a rose gold embossing powder because I thought this was a really good match for some of the colors in the Auburn Lane collection. And so that's going to do it. So definitely a smaller kit than I'm used to. So I'm trying out something a little bit different for the month of October. And I can't wait to get started with this kit and show you what I come up with. So I'll be back to see you soon. Bye, guys.